Still spending hours making shorts? You can stop doing that. NotebookLM just added a feature that can turn a PDF, document, website, or even a YouTube link into a complete short with basically one click. Sounds hard to believe? Let me show you exactly how it works. And if this helps you out, hit that like button. If you're new here, subscribe for more AI creator tools.
First, open your browser and search for NotebookLM. Open the official website, then click Try NotebookLM. If you've already created notebooks before, you can open one right here. Or just click Create New. Now, if you've watched my previous NotebookLM videos, you already know the first step. Before the AI can generate anything, it needs source material. You can upload documents, paste a website or YouTube link, import files from Google Drive, or even paste your own script. But here's something a lot of people don't know. Even if you don't have any source material, NotebookLM can actually research the topic for you. Let me show you. I'll type, how does the human body digest food? Now click Run. Watch this. NotebookLM automatically searches the web, finds reliable information, and builds a collection of sources around your topic. And honestly, it only takes a few seconds. Now click See More Sources. You'll notice it's pulling information from YouTube, websites, news articles, and several other trusted sources. Now that we have the research, let's turn it into a video. Click Import. Give it a moment. NotebookLM analyzes everything, then generates a complete script based on those sources. Right below that, it also suggests 3 different title ideas. If one of those fits your video, just select it or type your own custom topic instead. Now let's turn this script into a video. Click Video Overview. A pop-up will appear. You'll probably recognize the cinematic and explainer options. Those have been around for a while. But now, there's a brand new Shorts mode. This lets you create content for YouTube Shorts, Instagram Reels, or any other 9/16 platform. Select Shorts, then you'll see 3 suggested topic directions. You can choose one or skip them completely. There's also a custom topic field below. Whatever you type there becomes the focus of your short. For this example, I'm not selecting anything. I'm just clicking Generate. And now, NotebookLM starts creating the video. Just keep in mind, this usually takes around 5 to 10 minutes. Alright, it's finished. Let's check it out.
Digestion takes both physical crushing and chemical snipping. But why do we need 2 different processes? Because if food isn't broken down to its fundamental building blocks, it can never cross into your bloodstream. Imagine eating an almond. Its valuable proteins and fats are locked inside a dense, solid structure. Your teeth and stomach tackle the first phase, mechanical digestion.
And honestly, this came out really well. The visuals match the topic, the pacing feels natural, and the AI puts together a surprisingly polished short using the research it collected. Once you're happy with the result, just click Download. Within a few seconds, the video will be saved directly to your device, ready to upload or edit however you want.
And that's pretty much the whole workflow. If you're creating shorts regularly or building an AI-powered faceless channel, this is definitely a tool worth adding to your workflow. AI creator tools are evolving incredibly fast, and the creators learning them early usually have the biggest advantage. If this video helped you, I'd really appreciate a like. And if you want more AI tools, creator workflows, and practical tutorials like this, make sure you're subscribed. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.